Hi, I'm BlakeSanden, but who I am is irrelevant. Who you are is why we're here today. You want to be successful. You don't want to punch a time clock anymore. You want to be your own boss. So how do you do that? I'm going to tell you how. Selling on Amazon. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's lucrative, which is what we're talking about today. Being lucrative and being successful on Amazon. Retail arbitrage is simply going out, buying an item, taking it home, and selling it on Amazon, whether you do it through FBA or you do it from your own house. It's that simple. But the most important part is doing all of that at a profit. Me and my wife have been doing this for 3 years. We're going to encompass 3 years of all the knowledge that we've captured throughout those 3 years and make it into a simplified, easy to read, easy to execute package offered for you today. In this package, you're going to receive step-by-step instructions on how to set up an account on Amazon, how to list your items, how to add your deposit and charge methods, how to package and ship. Package and shipping is the most important thing that you'll do on Amazon, because when your customer gets that package, that shipping quality has to be there. That packaging quality has to be there. That's how you gain your customers' respect and credibility. What happens when FBA gets my products? How to do inventory management and manage your orders. Where to source your products from. In this package, we'll also offer an Excel spreadsheet on how to manage your inventory. That's right. We have it all ready for you. 3 years of me and my wife doing this on Amazon, selling through FBA, selling from our house, all wrapped in one package. So friends, in conclusion, what we can do for you is help you get there. Because what are we talking about right now? We're talking about motivation. You probably already thought about this, heard about it, but you're just not sure where to start, where to begin. In this package, we will show you where to start and where to begin to be successful, so you can punch your own time clock. You can get up when you want, you can start work when you want. Also in this package, we'll show you how to use the Amazon Seller app and how to use other apps to your advantage to selling on Amazon. Because there's a thing called Amazon ranking, where it tells you about a product and what it ranks for and how likely you are to sell it. The possibilities are endless. It's just a matter of, do you want to? Visit my website, BlakeSanden.net, 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 where I point you in the right direction on where to retrieve our package that we made for you exclusively. In this package, it's everything you need to get started on Amazon and to make a profit. What am I talking about right now, though? Am I talking about becoming a millionaire? Of course not. This isn't a pyramid scheme. This isn't the lottery. This isn't some slot machine that you're going to hit 777 with in a pipe dream. This is reality. This is selling on Amazon, making money, and having a good time doing it, being your own boss. Does that interest you? Because it interests me, which is why me and my wife are doing it. You can be single or you can have a partner. It doesn't matter. You can be successful at doing this. So let me help you get there. I'd love to help you get there. Included in this package is everything you need to know for a beginner selling on Amazon. Where to source, how to source, detailed instruction. It comes in a PDF file and also a Word document. I can digitally send this to you. I can also send it to you through the mail. So there's 2 methods of how to retrieve this package, and payments are through PayPal. You can retrieve this package at www.blakesanden.net or email me directly, blakesanden@yahoo.com.